Dear student, today we will discuss the short questions of Third Thoughts by A.V. Lucas. You have to give answers in only 50 words. So the first question is, who tells the story to the author? A friend of the author tells the story to the author. Next question is, when does the narrator give away his artistic articles? The narrator gives away his artistic articles when he is tired of a picture. The next question is, did the narrator go to the market with the intention of buying the painting? How did it happen to buy it? And the answer is, the narrator did not go to market with the intention of buying a painting. Narrator purchased painting because the dealer sold it cheap. The narrator thought it's a good deal. Next question is, what price did the narrator get from the buyer for the drawing? And the answer is, the narrator got 50 pounds from the buyer for the drawing. He bought it for 10 shillings. He got a good profit. And the next question is, why did the dealer sell the drawing so cheaply to the narrator? And the answer is, according to the author, it was not a genuine Turner. And the next question, why did the narrator feel so delighted and proud after selling a painting? And the answer is, the narrator feels so happy and proud because he got a very good amount for selling painting and earned a good profit from it. Next question is, why does the narrator think that the dealer should get a part of profit he had earned? Answer, the narrator thinks that the dealer should get a part of the profit he had earned because he behaved in a good manner to him. Next question is, in his mood of elation, what did the narrator write in the first note to the dealer? Answer is, in his 50 mood, the narrator wrote in the first note to dealer that the potential Turner drawing turned out to be authentic. You have to be careful that you have to answer only in 50 words. So these are short questions from the essay Third Thoughts by A.V. Lucas. Next question is, which habit of the storyteller leads him to examine and re-examine his idea of sending a part of the profit to the dealer? And answer is, the storyteller leads him to examine and re-examine his idea of sending a part of the profit to the dealer because he had a habit of thinking. Next question is, what did the narrator do when sleep do not come to him? And the answer is, he started to examine and re-examine his idea of sending a part of the profit to the dealer. Next question, why does the narrator turn the bargaining as a straightforward matter between dealer and customer? The narrator turned the bargaining as a straightforward matter between dealer and customer because thinking may save him from the pangs of consciousness. Next question. Justify the title Third Thoughts. Answer. Third thought is idiom created by the author A.V. Lucas. It is based on a very popular idiom, second thought. Second thought means one more consideration given to an issue. Writer changing his ideas every time directed by selfish motive. Next question is mentions the reasons given by the narrator for changing his resolutions with each reconsideration. You have to be careful that these you have to give these answers in 70 or 80 words. So the answer is at the first narrator thought to give half profit to the dealer. Then the narrator changed the decision at 3:30 a.m. in late night by at 10 pounds. Then he thought 10 pounds will be sufficient. The narrator further thought that the dealer will expect the same from others, so 5 pounds will be enough. Next morning, a businessman is never impulsive, so only 1 pound is sufficient. In the afternoon, he forgot about sending it. Next question. Why are the city magnates successful according to the narrator? Answer is according to the narrator, city magnates successful according to the narrators because they have a good knowledge of business, psychologically and philosophy of world trade and commerce. They extort as much as possible from the customer, no obligation on customers after payment. Next question is how did the intended note to dealer read and did it ever reach him? The answer is the intended note to the dealer read that the potential tunnel drawing was so real, so he is sending half of the profit to the reader. Then he thought about sending 10 pounds. Again he thought he thinks 5 pounds will be enough and then 1 pound. No, note never reached to the dealer because the narrator forgot to post it. And the last question is there is no fury like a woman scorned. Who is the woman referred to here and why does the narrator fear her fury? The woman referred to here is the goddess of business. The narrator fears because in the past he did not earn any profit. If the narrator shares this profit with the dealer, then the goddess of business will be fury. If the goddess of business is angry with him, then his business come to end. So, dear student, as you have seen, these questions are most important, and by answering these questions, you can understand the essay Third Thoughts by A.V. Lucas.